Just Vox.
You're welcome back to my channel. Keep subscribing and keep liking. The official Power Book Season 3 has ended like last week ago. So in this video, we're gonna be looking at the new release date for the Season 4, the cast, and the plot. Thanks for liking and thanks for subscribing, guys.
In the Season 3 finale of Power Book, I, Ghost, surprising revelations unfold. It is revealed that Diana Tejeda, rather than her mother Monet, orchestrated Tommy's pursuit of Tasha and is suspected of being involved in her potential murder. This revelation marks the beginning of Diana's deceitful actions. Towards the end of the episode, Diana and Drew manipulate their brother Kane into believing that Tariq, their archenemy, attempted to kill their mother. Tariq, finding himself surrounded by the three siblings, realizes he has no allies left and seeks refuge at Noma's warehouse. A tense moment occurs as Kane almost shoots Tariq, but Brayden intervenes, setting up a Season 4 cliffhanger centered around the Tejeda family's quest for revenge. Rainey Jr. has dropped hints to keep fans intrigued about what's to come in the upcoming season. There is a possibility that Season 4 may arrive in late 2023, considering that the previous two seasons of Ghost premiered in the autumn. Stay tuned for updates as we eagerly await the next chapter of this thrilling series to grace our screens. Although the cameras started rolling in January 2023, the exact premiere date for the highly anticipated fourth season remains a mystery. It's important to note that the ongoing writer's strike might have an impact on the release date. Exciting news arrived in January 2023 as Power Book IE. Ghost was officially renewed for its fourth season. Fans can breathe a sigh of relief as Michael Rainey Jr., who portrays Tariq Saint Patrick, has assured them that the wait for Season 4 won't be as long as the 16-month hiatus before. The production team has already begun working diligently on the upcoming season. Prepare yourself for another captivating episode of this crime drama series, following Tariq St. Patrick's journey to establish his own identity, apart from his father's legacy. Anticipate unexpected twists and turns that will keep you engrossed. Fans eagerly await the release date of the highly anticipated fourth season of Power Book II, Ghost. For more information about Power Book II, Ghost Season 4, explore the details to gain insight into the upcoming installment of the series.